Hello and welcome to my channel Shanette for Life. My channel is about my whole food plant-based lifestyle transformation. I'll be sharing with you food preparation, easy plant-based meals, desserts, and snacks. I'll also be doing grocery hauls, motivational live streams, workout routines, and so much more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Hi, in today's video we're going to be making a plant-based version of the Chinese cuisine, orange chicken, but we're going to make that with cauliflower. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to be cleaning my cauliflower, getting off any pesticides that may be present. I am using my plant-based fruit and veggie wash spray. I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes and then I'll be rinsing it off. This step is very important and necessary because this ensures that you remove not only the pesticides but also the bacteria that has attached itself to the cauliflower during the plant life process. I am now going to be pulling the cauliflower apart into small to medium sized florets. This cauliflower did become a little stubborn, but I finally got her to behave. It's now time to make the batter. I am going to be using the chickpea flour. I'm using 1 cup. I'll be using 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'll be also using 1/2 cup to a cup of almond milk. Once you get all the lumps out, it is time to add the cauliflower to the batter. You're going to toss it around till they're all coated. I did something a little extra before putting them in the oven of 350 degrees. I covered the bowl with plastic wrap and then I put them in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes just to let all those flavors kind of marinate together. You don't have to do this step. You can definitely omit it, but it's completely up to you. I am now going to be putting the cauliflower on my parchment paper lined pan, single layered. I am then going to be putting them in a preheated oven of 350 degrees, and I'm going to be cooking them for about 45 minutes to an hour or until they are golden brown. This is where everything comes together. It's time to make that delicious orange sauce. I'm going to be starting with 1 cup of orange juice, and that was freshly squeezed. I am using 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos, or you can use soy sauce, or even you can use liquid aminos. It's your choice. I'm using 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/8 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sriracha hot chili sauce, and that's only if you like a little spice. I'm also going to be using a little more garlic powder, definitely optional because I love garlic. I'm using 1 tablespoon of ginger, and then I'm going to mix that very well and let it come to a slight boil. You're then going to be mixing together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water, and you're going to pour that into the mixture. You're going to stir that up good. You're going to let it come to a slow boil, and when it begins to thicken up, if it's too thick, you can add a little water at a time till it reaches the consistency of your choice, but please don't put too much water because you want to make sure that it's going to stick to the cauliflower. Once the cauliflower is done, make sure you let it cool off for at least 20 minutes. Then you can add them in the sauce, and you're going to coat them very well. And now it's going to be time to serve them. I served them over a bed of brown rice. I also garnished them with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. This video was definitely fun to make, and the recipe turned out so delicious. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. And last, please subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more recipes like this. I will see you all in the new year.